Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just gave it a tune-up, replacing the brew unit that you see right here. This is the older one. And we also descale the machine, deep clean around the tray, deep clean around the inside of the machine as well, making sure everything is nice and clean. We replace the gasket of the generator over here in the top, and we also deep clean the generator shower head. And yeah, that's what we did to this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Then we're gonna do a little bit of steam and then some hot water. Oh, we also re-lubricated the transmission and deep clean everything inside as well. Nice shot of espresso coming out of the machine, excellent flow coming out of the spouts, and really great color, as well as good crema forming at the top of the machine. I mean at the top of the espresso. Now we're gonna be testing the hot water. As you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent temperature as well. Working really great. And now let's test the steam. It's gonna take a while for the machine to build up some pressure to get up to temperature and to produce steam, but once it gets up to temperature, you're gonna see steam coming out through the one. As you can see, the machine is starting to get some pressure inside and it's getting up to temperature as well. And as you can see now, it's dispensing good amount of steam, working excellent. Really great pressure coming out of the one, working perfectly fine. As you can see, no grounds or anything. All the grounds are inside there, nothing around here or anything like that. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.